This is question number 14 of homework 7 for chapter 6. The following data show the total output for a firm when specified amounts of labor are combined with a fixed amount of capital. So this first sentence basically tells us there's a fixed portion of the input and there's a variable portion of the input. When answering the questions, you are to assume that the wage per unit of labor is $25 and the cost of the capital is $100. And because the cost of the capital here is fixed, so this cost of capital is a fixed cost. And that's very important to answer this question. And this table basically tells us that the number of labor and the relationship between the number of labor and the total output. So that's a production function, and because we have a fixed cost, because we have a fixed portion of the input, that's also a short-term production function. Refer to table 7-4. Average fixed cost for 305 units of output is approximately so actually the average fixed cost, based on the definition, that's simply the total fixed cost divided by the number of units. And because the total fixed cost is right here, it's $100, so the average fixed cost is simply $100 divided by 305. So that gives us the divided by 305. 0.33, so that's gonna be 33 cents. And so this also tells us this whole table is useless to answer this question, because here we just need to know the fixed cost and the number of units. So let's check our answer. Excellent.